My name is Suman Hoque. I became a chef because I love food. Also, I like to feed people. When I was in Thailand, I was studying in computer science. And then after finished school, I said, I don't like that. I used to cook for my friends in the dorm. So I fall in love with the food. And also when I was young, my mom is a really good cook. So I was always in the kitchen. Back in Bangladesh, men doesn't go to the kitchen. The women cook all the food. But I was different somehow. So I always in the kitchen and ask my mom, how we cook this, how we do that, why you do that. Yogurt is gonna be for the ice cream. We're gonna make a homemade vanilla ice cream. All the eggs from Iowa, the cream, things from Iowa. Best part of being a chef is meeting new people every day. Also, I love the farmers, so I like to talk to them. This is my best part of my job. They're passionate about what they grow. And they're so excited, it's like they're having a baby or something. Like, okay, I'm coming up next one. This is gonna be my spinach coming up, or my tomatoes. So we have a really good conversation. People can be so kind and supportive. Then, if you make something different than it used to be, and people sometimes brave enough to try it. Because being from Bangladesh, sometimes people eat, and back home you only eat Bangladeshi food. If you make something different, you're gonna be afraid to eat it. But here, people are brave. People give you a chance. People, okay, I'm gonna try it. Sometimes people think that cooking food is so complicated. I want to just tell them no, it's not. Food is so simple. You want to cook something, just cook it.